Hello everyone, welcome to SUNYA IAS. Guys, today in this video we are going to talk about the CSAT course. Lot of students have been messaging us with some common questions. So we thought we will make this video and answer all your question at once. So we are going to talk about the most frequently asked questions. So what are these questions? uh, what will be the class schedule, the mode of delivery of lecture, the frequency of lectures, and how will mentorship be provided. So this is your schedule. Classes have already started. In RC component, lectures are already being uploaded. RC will be completed by 5th of September. Okay, logical reasoning will start from 6 September and will be completed by 30th September. Quantitative aptitude 1st October to 31st October. The classes will be uploaded every alternate day, okay, on your website. So you should go and visit your website every alternate day. Also worksheets will be given with every class that is uploaded. So you will have some homework to do the following day, and the following day you will again have your class. Now what would be the mode of delivery of classes? Now, as we explained you in the basic information video, classes will be taken like basic lectures will be taken in first lecture, and the same concepts will be carried forward as advanced practice. So both of these classes will be provided in recorded mode. Why? The first reason being that you don't have to rush, and spoil your schedule to be present in a live class. You can have your own flexibility to watch it anytime you want. Okay, also when we take a live class, there are a lot of disturbances in terms of students asking queries, or the teachers asking things to students. And those classes, when you watch it recorded for the second or the third time, it will really be very hassleful for you also. So we will be giving you very clear, crisp, concise lectures in recorded form. Okay, so the quality, and it will be time saving as well. Now in terms of 1 month before, we have promised you we will do a live practice with you, which will be very helpful in your revision of CSAT concepts. That live practice will be done via a live platform. Okay, now how about solving your doubts or mentorship? How will mentorship be provided? It will be provided on two levels. The first one being, we have created a Telegram handle, the link to which is provided in the first lecture of the course. Any student having any doubt can always message on that number, Telegram handle or the number, and they will get a response from the respective mentor resolving his or her doubt. Now on the second level, we will be holding Zoom meetings with the respective faculties once in a month, wherein you can list down your doubts, come and ask your doubts. So guys, this is it for now. Thank you very much. Hope to see you in the class.